In this video, we will explore the features and performance of two remarkable lenses designed for Canon mirrorless cameras: the Brightin Star 60mm f2.82 macro lens and the Brightin Star 35mm f0.95 lens. We will discuss their specifications, usability, and which lens might be the best fit for your photography style. The Brightin Star 60mm macro lens is priced at $179, making it a budget-friendly option for photographers looking to explore macro photography. In contrast, the Brightin Star 35mm f0.95 lens comes at a higher price of $299, reflecting its advanced features and larger aperture, which may appeal to professionals seeking high-quality performance. The Brightin Star 60mm lens features a maximum aperture of f2.8, which is excellent for macro photography, allowing for detailed close-ups. On the other hand, the 35mm lens boasts an impressive f0.95 aperture, which excels in low-light conditions, providing stunning bokeh and depth of field effects that are ideal for portrait photography. The Brightin Star 60mm macro lens is designed with ease of use in mind, making it suitable for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Its manual focus allows for precise control in macro photography. Conversely, the 35mm lens, while also manual, offers advanced features that cater to professional photographers looking for greater control over their shots, especially in challenging lighting situations. In conclusion, both the Brightin Star 60mm macro lens and the 35mm f0.95 lens have their unique strengths. The 60mm lens is an excellent choice for those venturing into macro photography at a reasonable price, while the 35mm lens is perfect for professionals seeking superior low-light performance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.